In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a blog post in GoDaddy's Site Builder. If you want to keep your website fresh, share updates, or improve your visibility online, adding blog posts is a simple and effective way to do it. The good news is that GoDaddy Site Builder makes the process very straightforward, even if you're completely new to blogging. To get started, open GoDaddy Site Builder and make sure you're inside the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look over to the menu on the right-hand side of the screen and click on the Blog tab. This is the section where you manage your blog content, including creating new posts and organizing what you want visitors to see on your site. After opening the blog section, click Create Post. This will open a new blog post draft where you can begin adding your content. At this stage, you're essentially building the article that will appear on your website, so it's a good idea to have your topic in mind before you begin. Now enter your blog post title. Make it clear, specific, and relevant to the content of the post so visitors immediately understand what the article is about. Then add the body text for your post. This is where you'll write the main content, whether that's an announcement, a tutorial, an update, or anything else you want to share. As you write, keep your formatting clean and easy to read. Short paragraphs usually work better for online readers and make the post feel more approachable. Next, add a featured image. This image is important because it helps your post look more polished and visually engaging. Choose an image that matches the topic of your article and represents the content well. A relevant featured image can also help attract more attention when your post appears on your website. Once everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click Publish. If you want the post to go live right away, if you'd rather have it appear later, click Schedule instead and choose the date and time you want it to be published. Scheduling is especially helpful if you like to plan content in advance or keep your blog updated consistently without having to log in each time. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog post in GoDaddy Site Builder. Take a moment to review your post before publishing to make sure the title, text, and image all look exactly the way you want. With just a few clicks, your content can be live and ready for your audience to read.